Hi, welcome to tutorials of Adeko 17, the most complete software for cabinet furniture industry and interior design. It is time to build everything from scratch. In our second video, I will explain some advanced tools of Adeko 17 to help you create even more detailed plans. Open a new project and let's get started with walls. Click on Walls button and notice the small helper window on the left. You may click on Set to adjust your wall properties and press OK. Now click on the screen to indicate where this wall starts and move your mouse to the direction of your wall. Click again to end it. Notice on the command line it asks where the thickness of this wall is and shows us an outline of the desired direction when you move your mouse on each side. Click again any side you wish. Continue drawing. To draw a wall with predetermined length, notice how it asks the length of your wall on the command line. Type any measure and press enter. Continue drawing walls and click on Finish here when you are done. You may also insert columns and beams. Click on the button, simply place it on the wall and adjust the dimensions. Now, let's build a kitchen. First, we need to set the rules of your kitchen. Click on Settings and General Unit Dimensions. Adeko 17 comes pre-configured with global kitchen standards, but you may modify any settings here. Enter carefully and press Fix It button here to apply your rules everywhere, every time. Click on Door Clearance if you would like to change them as well. And we are ready. To place a module, click on the Module button, select a category, double-click any module on the list, and place it. You can copy a module easily and may place them next to each other. To delete, select your object and press Delete. Now select a blind corner unit under Base Corner category. But before you place it, press spacebar on your keyboard to change the direction of the blind side. Place your unit outline carefully since there is a column in there. Notice how the module is notched when placed. You can also right-click on it and select Notch to adjust the dimensions manually. To move a unit, click on it once, twice, move it wherever you wish, and place it. You may also use Free Move command. Right-click on a module and select Move Free. Now click once to hold the object, move your mouse to the direction, type any measure in the command line, and press Enter. When you need to customize a module, double-click on the module. You may change any dimensions of the module. Notice that height and depth values are calculated automatically using general unit dimensions, but you may enter custom values. Press Insert to apply your changes. To access every detail of this module, click Expert Interface and show More. You may select any insertion options in the middle and change the plinth type on the left. Down here, you'll see the numbers that indicates each division of this module in between top and bottom panels. Each division can be configured separately and as a door type. Click on a division number to see the details in it. Here you can change the division height, type, door properties, handle positioning. Press this button here to configure adjustable shelves of this division. You can manually edit the shelf positions. You may configure any division as is and customize your modules as you wish. If you press this button here, Adeko 17 will show you the dimensions left in between cabinets and/or walls. Continue building your kitchen and fill in the spaces. place your wall units and appliances as well. When done, you can decorate your kitchen. Click on Worktop button, press Settings to adjust the properties of this counter. Select a module to start and another one to end. Alternatively, you can select Automatic Placement or switch the plan and wireframe view so you can select Manual option to place a counter by manually pointing out start and end points. Be sure to follow command line directives when manually pointing your counters. Similarly, you can place cornices and light bands. Click Cornices button here, select a shape, follow the directives on the command line and place it. Same goes for plinths. Click on Plinth button here and follow the directives on the command line. And same goes for ceramic tiles as well. As a finishing touch, let's put a sink on our countertop. Click on Sink button, select any suitable model, click on your sink unit and place it. Reverse your placement with this button if you need to. Don't forget that you can change all the materials with the help of Material Manager screen. The kitchen is now complete, but before we finish, let's see how to utilize automatic dimension guidelines in plan view. Click on Automatic Dimensioner, cross-section any modules you would like to select, and move your mouse to the direction you would like to list the dimensions. That's it. We have created a fully customized kitchen ready for further processes. Next video will provide detailed information about pricing this kitchen and presentation with realistic render tips. Thanks for watching.